We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we will see you soon.